No birthday would be complete without celebrating with some sort of dessert. So I'm going to share with you guys what we are doing tonight for our birthday celebration dessert. And if you've been a member of one of my courses, you know that we definitely practice what we call the little Johnny rule. And our birthdays are the time that we do indulge in a little birthday cake celebration. Tonight we are going to have my favorite base culture nutty pumpkin bread. So that is right here. It's a paleo pumpkin bread. We are gonna garnish it with a little bit of cocoa whip, and I'm gonna show you how I make my chocolate coconut syrup. So we're gonna drizzle this on the top. So I just took a little like ramekin type of dish and I layered a little bit of dark Enjoy Life chocolate chips on the bottom. I'm gonna take a heaping spoon of coconut oil and just drop that right in there, and then I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 20 seconds. Okay, so I actually had to put this in for about, I think it was like 35 seconds, so I just added an extra 15 seconds on there. And what happens is the chocolate chips just melt right into the coconut oil, and it makes just a nice consistency of a chocolate syrup. So we're just gonna drizzle this on. This is exactly how I did it when I made my chocolate covered walnuts as well. Just eyeball the amounts for both the coconut and the chocolate chips. So I happen to like the end pieces of baked bread like this. So I'm gonna take the end piece right here. I'm just gonna put it on my plate. This loaf cuts up into 8 serving sizes. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is actually a little bit less than 1 serving size. I'm gonna take my little syrup that I made here with the dark chocolate chips and the coconut oil, and I'm going to just drizzle it across my piece of bread. I'm gonna top it with just a little spoonful of this Cocoa Whip So Delicious dairy-free whipped cream. And that right there is my super healthy, soy-free, gluten-free, dairy-free, not gonna cause me to wake up tomorrow feeling guilty or bad about myself, birthday dessert.